Today I'm checking out this long cone water pump pulley. So what does that mean? That means it's a water pump pulley, but it also has this cone on it that extends the pulley out further so it can align with your belts and everything else on your vehicle. Now, if you're putting this on a car or truck, this probably will fit an older model vehicle. So this actually for me is going to be used slightly different. I'm using this long cone here to put this on a small engine to allow me to put an alternator on that small engine. So I'm going to be able to fit this up to the piston of the engine where the pull start is. It's got electric start anyway, so I'm going to pull the pull start off, put this where the pull start would go, bolt it in, and then now on that side of the flywheel, I'll be able to mount a custom mount for an alternator. So on one side, it's got a hydraulic pump, and on the other side, it will have this pulley here on the flywheel side to run an alternator. So let's check it out. It's a nice steel molded metal plate here. I mean, this is nice. It's pretty thick. This is a pretty hardy pulley here. And again, this would bolt on. I mean, it's got these different bolt patterns here. So you know, put it onto the vehicle however you would need, or if you're going to modify this to do something else. But again, I needed something that had this kind of cone to it so that it could fit here and not block the air that gets rotated around the flywheel. So this is going to bolt on there nicely where the pull start would go, but without having to take any of the fan blades or anything off. Then I'll just have to make sure I line up whatever it is that I'm using, in my case an alternator, with this pulley here so that the belt is nice and straight and it doesn't wear bad. But yeah, this thing looks like it's going to work great. It looks very hardy. If you're not putting this as a real water pump pulley and you're using it for other, scenarios, just make sure that the size of the ending here is right and make sure it has the right offset. And then of course, make sure that whatever the circumference on this is calculated properly so you're putting in the right RPMs. But I think this is going to work great. All right. Thank y'all very much for watching. I hope this information was helpful and y'all have a great day.